Business forecasting describes a range of tools and techniques used to predict changes in internal and external environments. Forecasting helps organisations develop strategies based on informed predictions, with the goal of eliminating possible losses or failures before they occur. There are three main ways forecasting can help your organisation. 1. Setting goals and making plans. Forecasting helps set realistic and measurable goals based on recent and historical data. These goals can then help to evaluate progress and adapt business processes to follow a desired path. 2. Adapting to change. Businesses can use projections of changes to come to adjust their current strategy and operations. Businesses can thus more quickly reflect changes in markets and customer behaviour, allowing them to stand out from the crowd. 3. Budget allocation. Insights into current and predicted business trends can help organisations to come up with better estimates of their outgoings and income. Anticipating potential trends and threats will help businesses decide where to allocate budget and time. Accountants mostly tend to look backwards to report on truths about the past, but forecasting shows the importance of looking forwards to seek the best possible course through an uncertain future.